Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Hello, my name is Nuria and I am 15. I live with my parents and my sister. I play the flute and the piano. I love music. I love reading books, watching films, and meeting friends.
Hello, my name is Alba and I'm 14 years old. I like doing taekwondo and other sports.
Hi, I'm Pablo. I'm 12 years old and I play football and play the drums.
Hi, my name is Diego. I'm 14 years old and I like all types of sports, but my favorite is football.
Hi everyone, I'm Amparo and I'm 16 years old. I live with my parents, with my brother and with my chihuahua Lucky. And in my free time I love meeting my friends and watching videos on YouTube.
Hi, I'm Lydia. I'm 13 years old. I like meeting friends and listening to music. In fact, 2 years ago I played guitar.
Hi everyone, my name is Anna and I'm 15 years old. I live with my parents and my two brothers. I think I'm a natural person, I'm with friends and I have a really good sense of humor.
Hi, I'm Chloe. I'm 15 years old. I live with my parents and I have one sister. I like meeting friends, going shopping, and I love ballet.
Hi, I'm Jorge. I'm 13 years old. I like all types of sports, especially football. I like meeting friends and watching films in the cinema or in my house. See you soon and bye.
Hi, my name is Jorge and I'm 14 years old. I like playing basketball and reading books. I also like meeting friends. My favorite types of music are soft, pop and rock. My favorite singers are Melendi and Ed Sheeran. Bye!
Hi, I'm Ainhoa. I'm 14 years old. I love music. In fact, I play the flute and I love singing too. And I really like going shopping and traveling to other countries. And that's all. See you.
Hi, I'm Susana. I'm 14 years old. And my favorite type of music is pop. And one of my favorite singers is Adele. I really like going shopping and dancing, so I do Zumba. Nice to meet you. Bye.
Hi, I'm Gloria. I'm 14 years old. I play the flute and the piano, and I really like meeting my friends. And I also like horses. I really like meeting training.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm 13 years old. I love meeting friends and going shopping. I ride horse and I practice athletics. In fact, my biggest dream is win a lot of medals and go to a Spain championship.
Dentro. Bye bye!
Hi, what's up? My name is Inés. I'm 15 and I'm from Spain. I love singing, dancing, photography and sports. And some of my biggest dreams are to travel around the world and study dramatic arts. Bye bye!
Hi, I'm Elena. I'm 16 years old. I love dancing, especially ballet and contemporary. I also like listening to music, meeting my friends, and I love reading too. Bye!
Hi, my name is Irene and I'm 13 years old. I love dancing, especially ballet, and I really like listening to music too. My favorite singers are Bruno Mars, Jason Derulo or Sam Mendes. What about you?
Hi, I'm Maria. I'm 13 years old. I love everything related to music. In fact, I play clarinet and I dance ballet. I love going shopping with my sister too. See you soon.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Maria and I'm
old. I live in a flat near the school with my parents and my brother. I love going shopping, listening to music, and I also like reading. See you soon.
Hi, my name is Andrea and I'm 15 years old. I'm from Spain. I like playing paddle. I also like listening to music, especially pop music. My favorite singers are Megan Trainor and Paula Alborán. Nice to meet you.
Bye! Hi, my name is Emma and I'm a teacher. Bye bye, see you soon.
Hello, I'm Dori. I'm one of the teachers in the Erasmus Plus project, and as you can see, we are working really hard. Hope to see you very soon. Bye!
Hi, I'm Isa.
Hi, I'm Pedro. Hi, I'm Nestor.
Hi, I'm Desam.
Hi, I'm Ivan.
And we are the Iman and Sam